Hey everyone, Wade here from Tutoring, and as always, it's nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on cellular respiration, and this question was taken from the 2013 DBE Exmplar exam. So let's jump in. The following are involved in the process of cellular respiration: energy, carbohydrates, carbon dioxide, water, and oxygen. Which one of the following equations correctly represents their involvement in the process of cellular respiration? Okay, now I'm not going to go through all the options because it's just a whole bunch of numbers as the equations, but let's actually talk about the equation for cellular respiration, and from there we'll choose our answer. So cellular respiration has the following equation. We have sugar plus oxygen, and that equals carbon dioxide plus water and energy in the form of ATP. That's adenosine triphosphate. Okay, now let's go and have a look at our numbers and what's on the list. So firstly, our sugar is represented by by our carbohydrates, so that will be number 2. Oxygen's on the list at number 5, and that's equal to carbon at number 3, water at number 4, and energy at number 5. Now what's important is that the order of these does not really matter, just so long as you know that sugar and oxygen will give us carbon dioxide, water, and energy. So let's have a look at our list. It's 2 plus 5. We've got a 2 plus 5 option here at D, and that's equal to 1 plus 3 plus 4. We have a 1, we have a 3, and we have a 4. So the correct answer is D. 2 plus 5 equals 1 plus 3 plus 4. Right, and that's it. But before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. You can read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic video tutorials, and if you can't find the answer to your question, you can send it to us and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.